Hi, let me show you how to enable and use voice input on Samsung Galaxy A36. So as you can see right now, I don't have any icons for voice input. And to fix this, we need to go ahead and open settings. Now go through the list to find general management and then we are gonna select keyboard list and default. So from here, you need to make sure to enable Google voice typing by toggle on the switch. Just like that. Go back in same settings and then pick Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll all the way down to find voice input section. And you're gonna pick either Google voice typing or Samsung voice input. So I'm gonna select Google voice typing and save changes by using this back arrow. Now let's test it. I'm gonna open messages. And after that, you should see this icon for voice input in the down left corner. So to say for a period, you need to say period. For a comma, say comma. For an exclamation mark, say exclamation mark. To add a question mark, say question mark. Now let's test it. I'm gonna say, hi, how are you? Hi, exclamation mark. How are you? Question mark. And as you can see, it's working just fine. Let's try this out again. I'm gonna just delete this one and say, good morning, hope you have a great day. Good morning, comma, hope you have a great day. So, as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.